In this tutorial, I'll review the Coolnut Retro Game Stick. Is it worth it or just another scam? Let's find out. The Coolnut Retro Game Stick claims to bring back classic gaming with hundreds of built-in retro games and HD output. It's marketed as a plug-and-play console for nostalgia lovers. Some users say it works well for casual retro gaming and brings back childhood memories. However, many report issues like lag, low-quality build, and poor video output despite HD claims. Some also say the game list is exaggerated, with duplicates or low-quality titles. There are complaints about misleading ads, confusing setup, and lack of customer support. While not completely fake, results are mixed. If you're a casual gamer looking for nostalgia, it might be worth a try, but don't expect high performance. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel for more informative reviews. Thanks for watching.